Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove camera watermark in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. I am going to take this picture and open the picture that you took. And if you are seeing any watermark, that means already watermark option is enabled in your phone. Okay, see here watermark appears in the bottom left side. Okay, if you would like to remove this watermark for taking photos in future, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to camera and then go to camera settings here, then click on watermark and just click on none, so that no watermark will be available for future photos. Now take a photo. I am going to take a photo now and see in the photo there is no watermark presented over the bottom left side. So in this way you can easily remove camera watermark in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.